gotta be purging sheep on that bow.
That would be purging sheep.
She does have that reset, so
Go up, Keith.
I'm
Go
on.
up.
she's gonna be trying to fish out that purge though. Probably with like explosive arrows or something. Just pay attention to it.
Need to come through the choke.
Try not to hit test.
Okay, I'm dive bombing. Oh,
Yeah, they're trying to blow you up. Test can die right now.
I'm gonna snare. I just pierce them all. Pierce test. I'm getting out. I'm getting out.
Test is killed.
I have no purge.
Starkey's
or
out
sheep.
of position.
Virus
Virus is out of virus is way out of position.
Put it down.
No cleric cowl. No cleric cowl. Okay, virus has
Going on
nothing.
sheep. Going sheep up at the top. Sheep
Pierce
here.
fight. No.
Sheep.
Okay, sheep is pierced. Sheep is pierced.
Strikey's low. Got him. Sheep's done.
Sheep's dead.
Don't go too deep, Coof. Coof.
Coof,
Careful.
come back. Coof, what are you doing?
Cool.
I'm out.
Thumb. Don't go down those stairs.
Relax.
Ow! I'm fine. Gee.
Let's win first.
Tess is trying to sneak over and stop that cap. You sneak it to the point up there.
Let's
you
punish
sneak it,
him.
Whatever. That's fine. They're all coming up. Be careful, guys.
Wait, yo.
I'm gonna pierce test. I'm piercing test. Hold on.
Oh, hold up. No, big.
I'm back now.
Come back up to the choke, guys.
Yeah, let's get choke.
We can let them come up if we want. Don't let Tube get punished back here.
Just don't get
Tess
stacked
has
for
no
the realm
soldier's
breaker, though.
armor.
Dropping down. Judicator right there.
I'm piercing virus. No, I didn't pierce virus. I pierced Starkey. Just get on virus then. Starkey's zoned out a little bit.
Enemy's real hurt.
Reduce healing on all of them. All three of these guys have reduced
Enemy's
healing.
almost dead. Starkey's back up top.
Virus could die.
I'm going for virus.
I'm really weak in the back. Good punish. Starkey's here.
I'm on sheep
overextended
now.
A little bit.
Sheep could die here.
Far back, boys.
Yeah, Dice test is way in our back line now.
Yeah.
Good heal. Careful, guys.
Reduce healing on all of them. I'm gonna go for a fat pierce.
Don't stack up on Tess.
Oh, no, get out.
Let's go
Are
back.
they going top?
Let's go back
Oh,
up
yeah,
to
I
top
think they're going
and
top.
healthy.
Stay away from the top right there.
Go check if they're going bar. Nah, we Gucci.
They're
Yeah.
waiting. Pip.
Yeah,
What's
they
reduced?
need to do almost a full reset.
What cat?
What's reducing their healing? Because you.
They switched to crossbow, and we gotta be
Long ground?
purging virus. Purge virus. He's got fire. Purge him when he has druid up.
Healing.
Alright, look for the druid, Koof.
Yeah.
No stun on ally.
Ally, punish
Can I get
ally
on
here.
sheep here. I'm looking for a piece. I'm piercing sheep if I can.
Dropping G here.
I'm going for sheep. Sheep's pierced. Sheep's out of
Sheep.
position.
Virus
The-
is
oh,
up top. Virus needs to be purged. He needs to be purged.
Purge.
I'm
Testing.
getting kidnapped back here, guys.
Trying to.
Trying to help.
Starkey's pierced, or Virus is pierced.
Good save.
Oh shit. It's my
That's
bad.
fine.
Can someone get on virus with me right here? Virus is super low. Super low. He has no firewall. I'm gonna go down if I don't get out though. I'm out.
Yeah, test here in the back.
Just back up.
Tube's gonna go down.
Virus has no defenses.
No, we can't go. We
Yeah,
can't go.
Super out of position. We gotta
Back
reset.
up.
Reset it.
Our healer.
Reset it.
Should have called that earlier. Yeah, That's I'm my out. fault.
We went too deep there and we got punished for it.
Same thing as last time. They got
Yeah.
more range. We have two things. We need to hold the top
They need
choke,
to
and they need
come
to
up to us.
Right, exactly.
Don't let them trip.
Are they
that.
letting us capture this?
Yeah, because they're gonna do what we should have done.
Well, we can't get it now, but we don't have time, I don't think.
I think Coop's there.
It's gonna be close.
Yeah.
Okay, That's good. Only 10. But we need to get up there. We fight them on level ground, we literally win the fight, so just don't get poked too much.
Oh, virus spoke. Virus spoke.
Virus is real poked.
We should definitely.
I can combo him almost completely.
I'm gonna pierce virus.
Dropping adjudicate.
Piercing
Dropping
virus. Piercing virus.
Caxton's almost killed. Caxton's
I got
dead.
one shot.
Accent said.
We need to back up.
I'm gonna push the stalker.
Just reset.
They're just punishing me.
Reset.
They know they need to target me. But I'm gonna switch the stalker hood here. I should have drank that resist pop a lot sooner.
Alright, virus is gonna be real low in a second.
Yeah, virus used one of his dashes.
I'm piercing sheep. Sheep's pierced. No cleric. No
Adjudicate.
sheep.
Dropping adjudicate.
Sheep
Virus
has
ice
rotten
block.
on her.
I'm purged here. Yeah, they're just punishing me. They're literally punishing me, like hard.
I'm piercing Starkey. Starkey's pierced.
But I think we have to get out of here. Honestly, we may have to get out.
Can we punish Test if we can?
Yep.
He's doing all that damage to me.
That Realm Breaker's doing work.
That hurts.
Alright.
Literally getting one shot by it. 'Cause I'm clothy. I didn't bring a
I'm
soldier's
swapping.
armor.
I'm swapping to the cultists.
Oh.
Okay.
Land your skill shot. Come on.
They come back on us so hard.
Yeah.
They switched their comp up and they're playing a lot better. They're starting to take me out of the fight. They kind of jump on me.
Hold on, I have 5 seconds on cooldown.
Let me jump. Nice, dang. Okay.
How quick can you
I'm
guys
hey.
go through that choke and get them?
Hey, Axon, I have Cultist Cal. I'm going right for Starkey. We're gonna take him out. I'm gonna get 3 stacks and Pierce, okay? I'm gonna
What?
call the 3 stacks and then look for him and Pierce. I'm gonna hopefully you don't die here.
Oh, what the fuck? My bad, bitch. That was my bad.
Choke though. Don't clump.
Watch out. Test is a little charged.
They have no firewall. We push after this firewall.
Test, let's go.
He's Pierce. He's Pierce.
Test could die, Test could die.
Damn anymore.
Dropping adjudicate. Dropping adjudicate.
Oh, he's healed.
I like it die. I like it die.
Can we get Virus right here? He's all in our backline. We've been clocking in our backline.
Virus is out of position here.
Yep.
Heal.
He's pierced.
Alright, Virus is
There
dead.
you go, there you
Virus is
go.
dead. Test is almost dead too.
I
Test
need
is
to be
almost dead.
Test.
I need healings.
Come back, guys.
Yeah, I can't come back. Give me a second.
Try not to hit Test when he's
Yeah.
big like that.
If we call a target and you have done another target, give it just a second so we can finish killing the one because we flip-flopped real quick there.
Virus, but
But there's one thing you can do with the cultist Cal. You throw it on Virus. He has no hard defensives. So
Cal.
if he spam casting his Q, he's gonna do half of his health.
Yeah. Oh, Bit, come up here real quick. Do it. Do it when we walk.
It doesn't make it faster.
She missed.
What the fuck? Why didn't I swap sheep?
Hit Test when he's soldier's armed. That's why he's doing so much damage.
We can purge him off of that goof.
I patched him.
Just purged.
Drop adjudicate here. Back off.
Yeah, I'm backing off.
Virus is out of position here. I'm gonna get punished if I go up though.
Back
Yeah, I'm
up,
getting
back up.
fucking beat.
Oh, virus is that hurts.
Sheep is down the choke.
Yeah, they're just beating us on the cap here. We have to get up there. Get full healed. We just gotta push this. We have literally no choice. Don't clump on Tess like that.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go up. Koof, can you
Oh.
get
Yeah.
a swap of their clothies when they come down?
Yeah, I can try.
Alright, they're just... Let's just come
They're
down. Let's
playing-
get healthy. Yeah. Just come down, come down, come down. Because we're gonna have to make... We only have one more push before we gotta take the top. Alright, who are we going
Soldiers.
for? I assume that
We have
all
to
their
go-
defenses are up now.
I say Virus only because he's always out of position. We can just take him out quickly, or we gotta
Sheep
take
is
out
right
Sheep.
there if you can... Yeah.
Couldn't swap. But she's low. I think we should go in now. She's hit one of his defensives.
Okay, then let's
Go
go.
up.
Go sheep. Go sheep. Go up. Go sheep as quickly as you can. She's got sheep big Pierce. Sheep big Pierce. She's hurt.
Cheap side, cheap side.
I'm coming up on sheep. Sheep pierced again. Sheep pierced again.
Dropping GDK, dropping GDK.
Sheep could die. Sheep could
Sheep,
die.
cheap dead, cheap dead.
Get on.
I need help. Yep.
Who now
Virus,
is
Virus.
Virus.
I have Pierce for him in a few seconds here.
I'm gonna need a little help.
Piercing Virus is Pierce. And he has Cultist Call on him.
Yeah, there you go.
Look at Starkey back here a bit.
Starkey?
We could punish him.
We don't have a.
Yeah,
don't
You
have
don't
Nice.
have a choice. You have to fight. You have to fight. You don't have a choice.
I have Pierce in 4 seconds. 4 seconds. Piercing. It's not doing much.
Yeah, we have to get out.
I'm out of energy.
We have to get out.
The game's over.
Yeah.
Like,
They just-
he used Cleric Cal and then killed himself.
Yeah, I saw that. He blinked over and took a bunch of damage. Cleric Hell died. He's probably very confused about that unless he knew he had it on him.
One thing about Fire Staff with that build,
They just want to free cast their Q, right?
yeah, so
Yeah.
like he has no hard defensive. His only real defensive is his Firewall and his Blink. That's it. I mean,
Virus has
shouldn't
no
have
defensive. I'm getting on Virus now. Piercing
Virus-
Virus.
shouldn't have Cleric Cal, but
Pierce
Yeah.
on virus. Pierce on virus.
I'm taking a bunch of damage here. I need to get out.